In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Klarna to Stripe. We'll be doing this directly inside the Stripe dashboard, and the process is very quick once you know where to look. If you're setting up payment options for your store or platform, enabling Klarna can give customers more flexibility at checkout, so this is a useful step to have in place. To begin, open your Stripe dashboard and make sure you're in the correct account or environment before changing anything. This is especially important if you use both test and live modes, because you want to confirm you're updating the right setup for your needs. Once you're on the Stripe home screen, look to the top right corner of the page and click the settings icon. This will take you into the area where Stripe keeps your account configuration, including payment-related options. After the settings menu opens, find and click Payments. This section contains the controls for how your business accepts money through Stripe, including the different payment methods that can be turned on or off. Inside the payment section, select Payment Methods. This is where Stripe lists all available payment options for your account. Depending on your region or account setup, you may see a long list here, so don't worry if Klarna isn't visible right away. Now scroll down through the available payment methods until you find Klarna. Take your time here, since the list can include many options such as cards, wallets, bank-based methods, and buy now, pay later services. When you locate Klarna, click Enabled. This switches Klarna on for your Stripe account, so it can be available as a payment method where supported. In some cases, Stripe may apply availability based on your business location, customer region, currency, or checkout configuration, so keep that in mind if you don't immediately see it appearing everywhere. And that's it. Klarna has now been added in Stripe. As a quick tip, after enabling it, it's a good idea to test your checkout flow to make sure Klarna appears the way you expect. If you're using Stripe checkout, payment links, or a custom integration, the final customer experience can depend on how that payment method is configured in your product setup. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to add Klarna to Stripe.